Are you looking for the best acoustic guitars? In this video we will look at some of the best acoustic guitars. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Taylor Academy Series 10 Dreadnought. Taylor guitars are as popular with students just starting out as they are with seasoned guitar players. Their solid construction and bold, full sound make them great for all-around use. The body on this acoustic guitar is made from Sitka spruce, sapele, and has a West African ebony fretboard. What's more, the Academy 10 Dreadnought includes a free gig bag for transporting your guitar and other accessories wherever you may go. 6-string acoustic guitar with Sitka spruce top. Ebony fingerboard, natural. Layered sapele backsides. Maple neck. Number 2. Martin LX1 RE Acoustic Electric Guitar. Martin's guitars are found on stages all over the world, and the name is synonymous with durability and professional sound. The little Martin LX1 RE Acoustic Electric Guitar has a smaller body, meaning it's a great starter instrument. Use it as is or plug it into a guitar amp for an all-consuming sound. This handmade instrument utilizes a Sitka spruce top and pressed laminate back and sides. This ensures that the sound projects forward with less absorption into the back and sides than with other materials. Number 3. Fender Squier Dreadnought Acoustic Guitar. Fender is the gold standard when it comes to high-end guitars. It's no surprise that their reputation extends to the acoustic market as well. The Fender Squier Dreadnought is a great everyday guitar with a great price point, yet the quality you'd expect from Fender. This acoustic guitar's body includes a sunburst design with a laminated wood top, as well as a mahogany neck, back and sides. Its neck is also thin, which makes plating easy and much more comfortable. It's strong enough to stand up to the everyday use and abuse that beginning players might throw its way thanks to its all-laminate construction with lindenwood top and mahogany back and sides. This guitar also features scalloped X-bracing, mahogany neck. It features a durable dark-stained maple fingerboard to give you an instrument that looks as good as it sounds. With its slim, easy-to-play neck and full-bodied dreadnought tone, the SA-150 is an ideal choice for all rookie strummers. Number 4. Yamaha FD-01S Solid Top Acoustic Guitar. Yamaha is another trusted name in music instruments, and their FD-01S Solid Top guitar does not disappoint. With a mid-range price, the FD-01S employs a crisp spruce and mahogany design with a beautiful bridge and rosewood fretboard. This model is a full-sized standard acoustic guitar that offers great versatility and sound for beginners and pros alike. The perfect first guitar, combining quality woods and outstanding tone at an outstanding value. Solid spruce top with NATO, eastern mahogany, back and sides. Rosewood fingerboard and bridge. The acoustic guitars need a professional setup out of the box to achieve the player's preferences. Number 5. Cadence Acoustica Acoustic Electric Guitar. If you're looking for a combination acoustic electric guitar that looks as good as it sounds and comes at an affordable price range, then look no further than this Cadence model. This acoustic electric guitar has created one of the most beautiful combination guitars you'll find anywhere. This guitar's ashwood top, finished with rosewood on the sides and back, will have you falling in love before you pick a single note. It can be plugged into a guitar amp or played as is and includes a 4-knob adjustment and single interior pickup. Acoustic electric guitar, Cadence Ashwood guitar comes from the Acoustica series. Designed in premium rosewood, our semi-acoustic electric guitars are built to have great sound quality, high durability, and increased ease of use for both beginners as well as professionals. The deep pour paint finish, simple head design, streamlined curvature makes the head and the body integrated, beautiful. The rosewood bridge has high hardness, strong vibration conductivity, stable and rich tone transmission. Quality strings, the surface is coated with a film coating, which is not easy to rust, which prolongs the use time of the strings and reduces the burden on the fingers when pressing the strings. The tuning pegs are engineered for good sound quality. The tuning keys are smooth and easy to adjust to keep the guitar in tune. Cadence guitars have better bass, volume, and fuller sound. Great for all styles of music and guitarists over 14 years old, especially beginners, students, or pros. Adjustable action, built-in truss rod can balance the tension caused by strings or temperature change shrinking, for a straight and durable neck. The adjustable electric acoustic guitar's neck allows your hand to stay in a comfortable position by keeping the strings at a perfect height. Cadence Guitar Electric Acoustic has a built-in preamp for amplified use with volume control, 2-band EQ, bass, and treble, integrated tuner for fast and easy tuning, making it perfect for juniors and adults.